Baka nga message.
You all know that you can't play.
Wait lang. Okay na. Bakit? Ay, wait pala. Ano sabi mo?
Hello. I'm excited
Ano
for
sabi
your
mo?
message. I want to open
Okay,
Meron
I'll
natin
talk
ako.
to you later.
Binigyan din ako.
Yes, mga 6
CD.
to 10 p.m. PM, ha?
Manonood ako ng movie, ha?
Okay lang
Or
yun.
maybe
Masarap
it's
na
like
makinain
unlimited
mo eh.
retainers.
Sino?
Baliw.
Baliw na.
Baliw-baliwan.
No.
Kaya ate. Ba yan?
Okay lang.
Oh my gosh.
Kakatakot yun. Ikaw, kumusta ka naman? Sino to? Sino ka? Sei-chan. Okay.
Patingin nga.
What? You're not pogi anymore.
Lagot ka.
Uy, Nat, ayo, wag. Pagalitan
bye-bye.
tayo, ni Kuya.
Okay, bye-bye na. Huwag na play.
Bawal, sabihin mo.
Yes!
Yan, I know.
Name niya.
Pangalan, name ba yun?
Ang
or
weird na
music?
to.
Alam ko.
Akala ko may test lang sila.
Tingin ko.
Grabe
I think task to.
Test?
O, weekly task siguro na.
Kasi part to sa weekly task.
I don't want anything. Just some
I don't
chocolate.
want anything. I just
Chocolate
want
toast.
to-
There's chocolate waiting for you.
What
sa
are you
side.
mahina at? Ikaw.
Ano?
Wala?
For sure
Kaya nga,
meron.
papel lang sa'yo.
I mean,
Baka yan yung, kayo yung mga taong nahulaan nila yung ano, ay
baka gift
memorize nila yung
Sana gift.
Just
Sana gift,
when you open the gift,
please.
open it while it's on the table.
Ah, sige.
Because what if it isn't like that?
i-shake mo raw.
Just in
Pwede.
case I want.
Ako yung shanik
Medyo
mo.
mabigat.
Wow.
Shake mo raw. Ako yung shanik mo.
This smells sweet,
It's a daga.
and it smells like paper.
Daga.
Maybe it's food.
Shake.
I don't know.
Ano yung commercial? Shake.
Crackers?
Shake.
Ay, hindi. Ano
Kevin,
yun?
how many...
KFC, diba? Ay,
Like that.
Poppers.
How many line?
Shake.
I will
Ako.
give you
The
5%.
one with the...
Oh, tama.
Okay
How
lang.
many?
Go 5 minutes.
Hindi
It's
KFC.
one.
Yung popcorn chicken and then you put the
Di ko alam.
flavor and you shake it.
Ah, okay, FC nga yun.
Poppers.